When installing vinyl siding and accessories, always consult the manufacturer's instructions for the siding you are using. Installers also must be aware of local building code requirements in the geographic areas where vinyl siding is being installed. These codes are based on national model building codes. In the United States, the 2006 Model International Building Code and International Residential Code require that vinyl siding be certified by a third-party organization to ensure that it meets the ASTM D3679 industry standard. Siding that is certified through the VSI Vinyl Siding Product Certification Program has been independently verified by an approved quality control agency to meet ASTM D3679. Look for this label or visit VSI's website at www.vinylsiding.org. VSI's Vinyl Siding Certification Program also provides third-party verification that the siding meets the industry standards for color retention, ASTM D6864 or D7251. To ensure that installation professionals know the proper techniques to install vinyl siding, VSI sponsors a Certified Installer program. Experienced installers complete a course and pass a test to demonstrate they know the procedures outlined in ASTM D4756, the industry standard for installation. Vinyl siding is the only exterior cladding with third-party product certification and certified installer programs, both of which are administered by an independent agency. VSI encourages consumers to request only certified vinyl siding and have it installed by VSI certified installers.